Going for a ride, people. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, garage door opener on the bike. Always a good idea. Actually, I'm gonna fix my phone because it's in my leg. Here we go. I love doing this. Strike the pace. Yep. So nice out. December 2nd. It's like 62 degrees out. Alright, now we're in Huntingburg. There's not much to any of these towns we're going to ride through today. Yeah, so tell me what y'all think about hearing me in my helmet. I mean, you can hear literally all the nonsense that I talk about to myself. Kind of weird. Thumbs it up. Oh, hold on. Thumbs up. Right now, the video. Why? Because you want to be nice. Give me a thumbs up, a like, and a share. That would be good. Hey, there's the shit plant. Right outside of town. That's pretty attractive, actually. So you can smell your shit while you eat your breakfast at Shoney's. Sounds like something you want to do. Loud ass Harley gearbox. Clunk. A little square of Jasper. There's Santa Claus up here. There you go, there's the square of Jasper. I know it's everything it's cracked up to be. Let's dip this way. I'm getting looks like, what is this crazy guy doing out in the middle of winter? Well, this is Jug Rock. I never actually stopped and looked at it. I don't even know where this is at. Yep. Well, that was exciting. Let's go back through the mountainous roads. Or hilly roads. These really aren't mountainous. Let's do it! Let's do this shit. Listen to some music. If I can get this in neutral so I can fix my damn phone. Well, I probably should shut my windscreen. Holy shit. You know what? I'm probably going to stop and get gas before we do this. Can I hear? I wonder if I can hear the music over the microphone. I swear I put more gas in this thing than I do my diesel truck. How much I bet I spill it all over the tank. It's pretty normal for me. I think it's the first time I've ever not spilled gasoline all over my tank. Whew, like a ninja. Going to French Lick. It says 45, so let's do 80. No, we don't want to do 80 on here. It's kind of wet. Never mind. Slow it down, buddy. Little wet, little wet, little wet. Slow her down. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. We got to slow that on down. And the fucking cages up here. The cages with wheels have to ruin everything for me. Son of a bitch. Get out of the way. They're out for their Sunday boring drive in their minivan, getting in the way of the motorcycle road and all the good curves, just ruining it for me. I almost want to turn around and redo this shit. Yep, that's what's happening. I'm not giving up these curves for a fucking minivan. Listening to homegrown country music while you're in the fucking corners, buddy. The best way to spend your Sunday is right here, buddy. Ooh, we got something in the road, got something in the road. Oh, do I have time to pass them? Yep. No sense to me. West Baden and French Lick. Are they at town right next to each other? I don't know. Cool ass place. Oh, Al Capone used to come here for vacations and stay over there at the Dome Hotel. I think both the hotels actually. There's a casino hotel and then West Baden Dome, which is pretty cool. Not really much to this place, but it is cool. It's more about history, I guess. There's the casino and the French Lick Hotel. Let's go over here and check out the little town. No way. That sucks. The perfect hat holder. Thank you, Harley. You got one thing right. Man, temperature went down. Alright, I ate fatty Wendy's, everybody. Now I feel fat. I don't know if this camera's gonna go dead, but thanks for watching my nonsense, absolute nonsense in my helmet today. There went Scotty. Oh God, got a little Backstreet Boys. Don't make me sing it. Got mixed emotions. And did I finally find me a river that can lead me out to the ocean? Cause I only been trying to love it, blah, 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 okay? Oh shit, sing. For my mixed emotions. Yeah. I'm not that kind of person who can roll in I love with you. That's not what love's supposed to do. Ooh. People have no idea what I'm doing right now. They have no idea. That's not what love's supposed to do. Baby, don't go breaking my heart, breaking my heart. We're gonna hit the whoop-de-doos. I'm gonna get past Mom's minivan here. I'm home. Get this garage door open. Oh, dude, for reals. Hold on, turn this music off. What a great fucking ride. My God, that was great. Well, catch y'all later.